Houseplant Tour Costa Rica edition.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Roos. My pronouns are she, her. I am a plant lover from the Netherlands, but I'm currently in Costa Rica, I'm walking around to show you the beautiful garden. I thought it would be fun to film a houseplant tour for you, but Airbnb version. We are staying in a beautiful place with a beautiful garden. This is literally a huge cactus. And the house has lots of houseplants as well, and I thought it would be fun to show you because there's some special ones. And actually today one of the plants started flowering, so it's a perfect time. We've been here a while. You might be able to tell from my huge sunburn and mosquito bites everywhere that we've been a while here now. Hey, it's Future Rose. I just wanted to break in here and say that I'm not posting the Costa Rica videos in like a chronological order. So this is the first one. I will also have vlogs that are more chronological, but those are a lot more work to edit. While I have you, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like planty videos. Let's continue with the tour. Let's start with the garden, because I'm here anyway. Most of the garden looks a little bit like this. It is the start of the rainy season, the wet season, so it's still a little bit how do you say, bare, but there's huge bananas with actual bananas in it. There's some cool things like this, which is what is Opuntia Cactus, but make it a tree. Look, just walking to the other side. This is an Opuntia. And I feel like they've really created a beautiful space with a lot of attention to detail. And you can just see that they love plants and nature. Look at this Cycas revoluta palm thingy. I have to step back to even get it in the shot. The garden goes all the way back there. I've actually not been there yet, but there's chickens walking around. They have 2 dogs. I don't know what this thing is. I think maybe a communal space for when they have visitors. I haven't been there, so I won't go too close. I don't know if someone else is staying there. There's pineapples. Look how big these are. Beautiful. I think they love growing fruit as well, because I've seen a lot of fruit trees. Over here is like a shed where they keep their surfboards, and then back there is our outdoor space and little house. I'll show you in a second. And their house is behind there, which of course I will try not to film. Here's some heliconias or something is the word. Whoops, stepped on a stone. Beautiful random plants with little seed pods as well. This is our rental car. Actually all along the driveway, which is how you get to the main road. And when I say main road, I mean probably worse than the driveway. Lots of potholes, lots of it's really, really scary to drive, but we made it here. It's a very remote place that we're staying at. But the whole driveway has like Alocasias on the side and just beautiful plants. Also, what I thought was funny is all of the hedges are crotons. And I'm not a big fan of crotons. I think they're ugly, but they are huge. And I think they are outside as well, not just on this like planted property, but also in nature. You see a lot of crotons, which is interesting. Oh, there's one more thing I wanted to show you, more on their side of the garden, which I already shared on my Instagram. It's crazy. When we drove by here, I was screaming. Oh, look. So all along the path, there are huge Alocasias like this, and Dieffenbachias like this. But then we get to, this is their garage. This is a palm tree, and this is a philodendron climbing up it. Check this out. Hey, Manny! Manny, good morning. Someone said maybe it's an erubescence. The leaves are huge. The local name is donkey face plant because the shape is like a donkey, which makes sense. Here you can see a little bit more of the growth pattern. Definitely a philodendron, but I don't know exactly which one. And the whole tree is surrounded by it, so it looks very cool. This is their dog, who looks like Dobby. Hi, Manny. Show them your Dobby face. Put your ears out. No? Okay. Okay. He's a little bit scared sometimes. So this is a star fruit tree, which, you know, star fruits like this Very cute. There's a lot of them. Can you see? I hope you can see. Here's one. What's on the floor as well? Oh, look, this one has even more. It smells really sweet because they've been lying on the, some of them have been lying on the floor. They also, in their other part of the garden, I think they have a mango tree and stuff. But I will not go there today, just to keep their privacy a little bit. The chickens are very chill, by the way. We petted some of the chickens, which was really fun. Hi, chicken. Guys. Come here. When you walk to our place, which is, this is our terrace, bedroom and outdoor kitchen area. I'll show you the plants on our little terrace area as well at the end. But let's go this way first. So here, there's some beautiful Tradescantias. And the colors on them are amazing. And also Opuntia. In the other one, there's a different type of Opuntia, but also the Tradescantia. And again, crotons everywhere. And this Alocasia also had me squealing when I arrived. Look at it. The leaves are huge and the pattern is beautiful. Funny enough, the Peppernum aureum they have actually looks quite small and sad. But when they grow on the trees here, they are huge. So I don't think they like to be in the pots, maybe. Just spotted something on this tree. This looks like vanilla as well. They have a different vanilla that I will show you that's already blooming. This one is not. My boyfriend just said that our breakfast is ready. It's about 8 in the morning, which is very late for us. This is our outdoor chill area and kitchen. This is my boyfriend, who you hardly ever see in the video. So say hello, Geert.
Hello, Geert.
He's very funny. Okay, we're gonna have breakfast and then I'll continue the tour. Breakfast is done. Let's continue on the plant tour. There's some cool plants here, but it's more general. I wanted to show you these because here we have a flowering vanilla plant. So these are the vanilla leaves. You can actually buy these in, at least in Holland, in different garden centers. The leaves will be much, much smaller, but the flowers here have opened. He has been pollinating them, so they don't stay nice very long because with the pollination he kind of ruins them, but they are beautiful. And this is the whole plant. So every day he climbs up on the ladder to get to all the flowers to pollinate them.
Every day.
Cool. And then you actually get the pods.
Yeah.
The vanilla pods.
It's the beginning.
Ah, you open?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so precise. You have done this before.
Yeah. Okay, ready.
Ready. As we walk to our bedroom, we have some beautiful tropical plants, just a little bit more basic. Here's a big Alocasia. There's some Caladiums here as well, which I think is fun. I think a lot of the plants still have to start growing. You can see all the little baby leaves all over the place. Huge Dieffenbachia and Alocasia as well. And what did I want to show you here? Oh yes, the Sansevierias. So there's a lot of Sansevierias everywhere. Huge ones as well, which is interesting. Like in this pot, for example. I think they do like high humidity and a lot of light. Dieffenbachia. This is more their garden, where there's also more Caladiums, Alocasias, big palm trees. I love the big palm trees. And climbing up them, you'll see some cool plants as well. Oh wait, there's a passion fruit plant on the little walkway from our balcony to their house. And they've only had it a few years, so it's probably gonna make passion fruits this year for the first time. More Sansevierias and Calatheas as well, growing down here. Now I'm gonna go into their garden for a second. Look, purple plants, lots of Alocasias, which I feel a little bit weird, but they did say that I can. Variegated, I forgot the word. This is umbrella plant. There are some trees here. Oh, and a Caladium, look. It's still early as well, so I don't want to disrupt them. But that is an Peppernum aureum, and so is that. Can you see it? It's a little bit cloudy today, which helps. It's huge. It's huge. It's all the way up there, and all the long things that you can see hanging down are a Peppernum aureum, basically. They're not the roots; they're just the tendrils that start little plants again there. So this we're gonna leave because that's their private space. We'll walk back this way just to not disturb them too much, and also to discover some fun roots. Okay, what's left now is this is our house, by the way. Look how cute. This is our bathroom, and that up there is our sleeping place, and in there is their garage, so that's not ours. And here is the outdoor space where boyfriend is making coffee now. So let's look at the actual plants in the house. The house plants. Down here next to our flip-flops are some cactus. This one actually looks nice. Up the stairs we go. This is our sign for the bathroom, mermaids and pirates. Here is an Peppernum aureum. I don't know, this looks like I don't know what it is, garden plant, because it has flowers. I thought it looked a little bit like a peperomia with the red stems, but they don't flower like this. So here's another cactus kind of thing. Two different ones in one pot. I also really like this. It's beautiful. There's painted things everywhere. Really nice. Some kind of, this looks like a sonanthi or something, right? It looks a little bit sad, maybe too much light. And from here again, you can see the peppernums. By the way, I'm purposely not using my fancy mics because I want you to hear the jungle noises. This is our cabin. It's a huge mess. This is where we sleep, but there's no plants inside. But when we go here to our little balcony, also a bird that really likes it here, hiding from the rain. There's a beautiful Caladium here. Look. So nice. There's also a hammock that we can unfold and a huge croton. Little kalanchoe, I think. Kalanchoe. And then this is that passion fruit I was talking about. I wonder if we can see some flowers. No, I don't think we can. And that, I think that's a mango plant, right? There you can see a little mango in it. And then lastly here, this one I'm so excited about because, let me take it here. This is a Stapeliad, which is very closely related to Hoyas, like they are family members. And it doesn't look like much when you see it like this, but when you see the flowers, which they were still buds when we arrived and now they have opened, they are so pretty, and you can see the resemblance with Hoyas. Look at this. And this is my hand for scale. So it's not, there are some flowers on Huerges that are as big as your hand. These are not super big, but they are very, very pretty. With the hairs and the color differences, I love it. And there's another flower here, but it's angled a little bit differently. It's amazing. I guess that's it already. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Ooh, can you hear the howler monkeys? They wake us up every morning, and you can also hear the waves crashing. It's about 100 yards or meters away from our space. So there's a lot of jungle noises. And the cicadas, I don't know how to pronounce, they are very, very loud. They're louder than most of the birds. But yes, this is our Costa Rican home. It's been our home for about 1 week. And we're gonna move on and do a road trip from now on, visiting different one botanical garden, and then some like the cloud forest up north, and also all the surf spots. Monkeys want to be in the video too. So subscribe if you haven't already for more Costa Rica videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Bye.